wanna play me DJ. I wanna rap it. Play my blood clot DJ. Come and shut up selector boy.
What's the gang? Back with another late ass video. You don't know what time it is. Yeah, man. Yo, guys, you see what we're dealing with today, man? From the title, yo, we here with a little bit of a treat, something a little bit different from norm. This was requested from one of our Don Mafia members. Okay, this one was requested from JC28. Shout out to you, bro. JC28. Shout out to you, my G. Yeah, man. This one was requested by JC28 the other day. You don't know, we've been on our Burna Boy shit, you know what I'm saying? Burna Boy has been putting out for the culture. I'm saying we're gonna start doing more Burna Boy reactions. So this one was reacted by JC28. This one is entitled Mera featuring Burna Boy. This one seems like it's by SIDHU. Hey guys, correct me if I'm saying it wrong. You know what I'm saying? Let me know if I'm pronouncing this right. This is by SIDHU Moose Walla. You see me? This one, Mera, featuring Burna Boy and Steel Bengals. You see me? And Navkaran Brar. Okay, I'm not sure who those artists are, but I am familiar with Burna Boy. And, you know, I'm going to get familiar with them today. You know what I'm saying? So, shout out to JC28 for sending this request, man. You don't know. I like Burna Boy music. You know what I'm saying? Burna Boy been lit. You know what I'm saying? But I never, like, reacted to his music. So, the other day I started reacting to his music. You know what I'm saying? And other people mess with it and they're sending in requests, and I appreciate y'all keep sending in requests to dope songs, and I'm gonna get it done. You feel me? So yeah, JC20 say you want me to react to Mera now. Okay, this featuring Burna Boy and Steel Bengals, and this is by SIDHU Moose Walla. Not very familiar with this artist, so guys, let me know if I'm pronouncing the names right. Correct me if I'm wrong, and send more requests, man. Let's get some, as long as it's dope, man. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna get it done. So we're not gonna let the vibe much longer, guys. This is Mera. You feel me? Featuring Burna Boy, Steel Bengals. This is by SIDHU Moose Walla. Let's get it. Okay. Is he Indian or Arabic? Let me know in the comment section. And guys, let me know if I'm, you know, I don't want you guys to be like, oh, I'm not saying that you guys all sound alike. You know, I'm just saying I can't tell the language is different. I'm not saying you guys sound alike, but Middle Eastern, Arab, you know what I'm saying, Indian, they sound very similar. So correct me if I'm wrong, and do not take offense, guys. I'm not trying to offend anyone. You know what I'm saying? So let's get it.
Still
they sound Indian.
Mera na how to pass it, how to pass. Mera na
Okay, all right. This is kind of a vibe, guys, but I still don't know. Is this Middle Eastern or Indian? Let me know.
Mera na
Boy, got the AK on his shoulder though. Don't play with it. Come on.
how to pass it, how to Hare gully, hare mode. Lege paya billboard. Feeling like I'm a god.
I don't know. He might say something from the ground to the blood clear. Like he might say, yo, from the to the city. You know what I'm saying? I'm a goat. Yeah, that's what it sounds like now. I'm saying, bro. This shit kind of so like dog saying I'm great, I'm a legend. Something, I don't know. What does Mera mean, guys? Put it in, come on, let me know. Let me know what Mera means.
Mera na har paase har tha Mera na Mera na
Bro, I don't know what Mera is, guys. Hold on, guys. I gotta find out what Mera means. This shit kind of a vibe, guys. Hold on. What does Mera mean? Come on. Mera lyrics mean my name, everywhere, every place. Mera is a powerful dynamic economy between Mera. What is the meaning of Mera? In Punjabi, Mera translates to my name. Okay. So it's like, dog, so basically the dog is like, my name shall be known Yeah, see me from the trenches to the cities. You know what I'm saying? And then he's a goat. I knew that's what the man was saying, bro. The man was like, put some respect on my name, bro. That's what the man is saying, guys. Correct me if I'm wrong, man. But this shit fire. Let's get it. Mera na. Come on.
How the boss say, how the time, Mera na, Stupid rich.
Yeah.
Heard you tryna get like me.
That's Burna, bro. Burna just jump on man say stupid rich. Don't try a guy like me. Hey, come on.
Get it glizzy, hit the lid. I just hopped out the jet. Double R, drop the head.
Say I just jump off the jet. Double R, drop the head. Ooh, come on, Burna. You be
Check the time, take my meds.
Features, Burna.
Swing my dreads.
Yeah.
Rockstar, got it tatted in my hands. Heard a stupid.
I man say swing me dreads means a rock star. Burna. You wanna become my favorite artist, dog? I ain't gonna lie to you, man. Burna, we have put time for black people and the culture, bro. You feel me? I become one of my bro. I've been rocking with your music. You see me? Before I was reacting to his music, I used to listen to Burna Boy. I listen to Afro beats, Kids. You know what I'm saying? There are a lot of African artists I listen to that I don't even know their name. I don't even know the lyrics of I don't even know what the music are saying, but I know the vibe and energy, bro. And Burna Boy was one of them I've been listening to, man. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't like playing him like I was playing Carter, but I was like, bro, every time I would like hear a tune I vibe with, I'll play it, support, you know what I'm saying? But Burna Boy, man, the man doing, these features is fire, bro. Fire. And he's, man, featuring the person that is not even speaking English on the track. That's crazy.
But say she don't know my face. Come to find out she been all in my DMs. Told my ex it's over now.
Man, I told my ex it's over now. Come on.
Worldwide, I'm global now.
I'm worldwide, I'm global, bitch.
Mera.
Don't respect my name. I said Mera na. I remember Mera na means my name. You see me? So basically, this whole track, they like you're talking about their name and how it's gonna be heard everywhere in the world, and how big it's gonna be. You know what I'm saying? So, but Burna right about that. He dropped this a couple months ago, but he's right about that. The man is definitely, name is being heard all around the world, and he's definitely one of the biggest artists and black artists to ever do it. No cap.
Mera. How the boss say, how the time. Mera na.
So apparently, I don't know if he's SIDHU Moosewala, but he's Punjabi. Let me know if I don't want to offend you guys. Let me know if I'm wrong. But apparently he's Punjabi, which I think is Indian. You feel me? I think. I don't want to offend you guys if I'm mixing y'all up. But yeah, he's dope, man. Bro, the man had Drake wearing his shirt and shit. That's what's up, bro. Hey, shout out to y'all, man.
Mera. Girl, them love me like a vibrator. Make them dance one tada mera. Macarena.
I said Mera na. The girl them love me like a vibrator.
Say my name like Destiny's Child. It's gonna be here for a while.
Man say my name like Destiny Child. I gonna day off for a while. I want to, you know, Burna. Hey, Burna, easy.
God, my name, please me, and this world will save my name. I did pray to God, my name, please me, and this world will save my name. I say R.I.P. SIDHU, I say the legends never die. No.
He said R.I.P. So SIDHU Moosewala, he's dead. I think that's what he said. R.I.P. to SIDHU Moosewala, living never die. So alright, is SIDHU Moosewala is the guy that we're showing. Is he dead? Don't tell me he's dead, guys. Come on, put me on. Don't tell me he's dead. Traumatize me. Never. Mera. Easy. SIDHU. Big up your damn self, me G. You see me? And I hope this shit wasn't sticking the whole time I was recording, because I'm going to be pissed. You feel me? But yeah, man. Burna boy, SIDHU move swallow, y'all did your thing, man. Mera nah. You feel me? Mera nah. I want to you. Gonna be my name gonna be heard everywhere. Gonna be in every household. Gonna be on every TV. Gonna be having a computer screen, every phone. That me I telling you. You see me? Yeah, man. My mom telling you this, you know. You see me? Use the energy for the song of that. You see me? Gonna be global. I'm telling you, man. No, don't play with it. Yeah, man. Use the energy for the song. I'm read the song. Mera nah. Hey, JC28, shout out to you, man. Thank you for sending in this song. I appreciate it. I love the vibe of this, the energy, and everything is crazy, man. So I appreciate you, dog. Thank you for sending in this. I hope y'all like this when it goes up. I hope y'all like this. You know what I'm saying? I hope y'all like this a lot. It's gonna be a really dope track. I appreciate y'all, man, for sending this in. I enjoyed it, definitely. You know, let me know if you want to hear more from SIDHU Moves Walla, and Steel Bengals, cause you don't know you're gonna hear more from Burna. Anytime Burna is on a track, we gonna react to it. Whether it's features or solo, it don't matter. Album or mixtape, it don't matter. Singles, it don't matter. You see, once Burna drop, we gonna react to it, cause we fuck with Burna, bro. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Yeah, let me know if you want to hear Wizkid too, cause I mess with Wizkid, bro. Wizkid and Burna was like two African artists that I listened to heavy. You feel me? Cause me, you know, my name was Starboy before Wizkid. You see me? Wizkid just gonna thief Starboy for the nigga K with that. I was like, yo, that's my G right there. You feel me? Cause Starboy, that's what, you know, my dad call me that since me born. You see me? He was like, yo, I go on Starboy, everything good. You see me? So I always went with that shit. And then, boy, Wizkid can't thief me thing. You see me? My original Starboy always. But, you know, big up Wizkid. You know, shout out Burna. Let me know if you want to hear reactions from them. We definitely get it done. And let me know if you want more Afro beats, or, you know, I'll get it done. You don't know. We love music over here. So from it's a vibe, from it's a hit, let me know and I'll get it done. I got you. You don't know. Guys, till next time, your boy Jambisco was here another banger. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.